Now a mate of mine's just bought this property and it's a renovator's delight, and he's called me in today to help him out with his bathroom, which I'm simply going to refresh rather than ripping the whole lot out and starting again and spending a bomb. So with all DIY projects, preparation is key. So the first step is I'm going to give this bath and these tiles a really good clean. Okay, so my goal today is to refresh by painting this bathtub and tiles. So I've gone along and I've taken all the silicone out surrounding them because paint simply won't stick to silicone. Now I'm going to remove the old tapware and give the whole area a really good clean with Rust-Oleum's crud cutter, and that way I can make sure I get rid of any soap, scum or oils that may be left there by any bath products that we use all the time, such as bubble bath, bath bombs, and my personal favourite, almond milk. Okay, so the crud cutter has done its job, and now I'm going to go over the whole surface using a bit of fine grit sandpaper. I'm using 400, and that way it'll just take some of the glossy shine off the tiles in the bath and allow the paint to adhere much better. So once I've done that, I'm just going to wipe it over with a bit of paint thinners to make sure any of the dust that comes from the sanding is all cleaned off, ready for painting. Now to paint this bathtub and tiles, today I'll be using Rust-Oleum's Tub and Tile Refinishing Kit in gloss white. Now this is an epoxy system that comes in two parts, part A and part B, which is simply mixed together before applying. Now being an epoxy, it has great durability and also provides a smooth finish, which is a great way of refreshing your bathroom without breaking the bank. Okay, so it's time to start painting, and for this application I'll be using a combination of both a Monarch Mini 6-nap roller and a paintbrush. Now being an enamel paint, many people do get wary about using them, but this one's self-leveling, so that means it's very forgiving and also will still give you a nice smooth finish. So the Rust-Oleum Tub and Tile enamel is not only brilliant on bathtubs and tiles, it's also really great for shower bases and sinks. You can also transform most common surfaces such as porcelain, ceramic, fiberglass, acrylic, metal and much more. So the first coat's on now, and I'm just going to give it an hour to dry before applying my final coat. Now Rust-Oleum also have this great little touch-up kit, which is the exact same product, just mini. Now this is really handy to have around the house in case you get any chips or scratches in any of your appliances, such as your bathtubs, sinks, toilets, fridges, washing machines, you name it, it'll pretty much fix them all. Well, there you have it, one tub and tile kit, a couple hours work, and all for less than 150 bucks, and this bath is looking brand new. All that's left to do now is let this dry and my mate can come in and fit off all his modern black tapware, and it'll be looking $1,000,000. So for you to check out more information on the tub and tile product, head to the Rust-Oleum website at rustoleum.com.au, and we'll catch you after the break.